Hi, I am going to share with you today a quick and easy breakfast for a very busy holiday morning.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple,
Live free.
I want to wish you a wonderful Christmas season, Hanukkah season, and it's so busy around Christmas time. And I really appreciate the convenience of like using my Thrive Life foods for things because it's so quick and easy. And I do appreciate the fact because I've got food allergies, especially gluten, that I can use just individual ingredients. I just put it together with what I need. But they do have some meals, and this one is gluten-free. And Bill can show you just a couple more little packets here.
They actually have 12 different meals.
Yeah, and I'm going to use this one, which is a apple cinnamon granola, and just make it kind of a special, it could be Christmas morning or just a special Christmas season breakfast. So very easy.
Yeah. So
what I'm going to do is take this, it's got apples and cinnamon, and it's even got some milk in it, and add some nice things to it. And this says it makes like 3 servings per container. Talked to my husband and he says it's like 2 servings per
servings.
container.
Three smaller servings or 2 servings.
His size servings, yeah. So I'm just going to rip this open. Very easy. There we go. Oh, of course it smells wonderful. I've got a little oxygen absorber here I'm going to take out. Now this can be made right in this container. You just pour the contents. With this one, you put it in a medium-sized container and add like 1.5 cups of cold water.
They all say that, but with all of them, you can mix them right in there. This will hold water. So you can just put the water in there, seal it, mix it up a little bit, let it sit, and you're good. You can eat it right out of the container. It's a lot easier if you have a bowl.
Oh, sure. So anyway, I'm going to pour this out. Excuse me, I'll move my cup there. Okay. Now, because it's for a special time, you can set that down, sweetheart. I am going to add some fruits and nuts to it. And after we have it all done, we're even going to add a little extra real cream on top. We're going to make it very special. It was fun getting out this can of the blueberries because the cover's different. Tell them about that, sweetheart.
You see this one? This is a pantry can. Okay, this is a family can.
It's a gallon.
You see how this looks, the labeling looks. The labeling here is very different. That's because this is an older can. Remember, Thrive Life has a 25-year shelf life, and this is actually 8 years old. That's before they changed the labeling.
We've had it in our stores.
But it's 8 years old. I opened it up, and it's just as fresh as the day if we had opened it right away.
Which is so cool. So I'm going to put the fruit and the nuts into this little Pioneer Woman bowl. I'm going to be using that at Christmas Day too. But we're going to go ahead and, isn't it pretty? I'm going to just kind of get a good mixture going here. I've got some of these beautiful Thrive Life strawberries. We're going to really, nothing wrong with a lot of strawberries. We're going to really make this very festive breakfast. And some blueberries. That's good. And then I've got some fancy mixed nuts that I'm going to add. Now I'm supposed to put in 1.5 cups of water, but because I'm adding more freeze-dried fruits, I'm going to probably go ahead and I put in like another 1/4 cup of water. And we'll check it when it gets ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put in this beautiful fruit. Nice bright colors. Woohoo! And some of these nice fancy nuts. You can tell a mix is fancy when it doesn't have any peanuts in it. Just kind of get that stirred in a little bit. Oh, it's such, look at the beautiful, pretty bright colors. Things don't darken when you freeze dry them. They stay really vivid colors. Okay, So here I have my cold water. Some of them take hot water, but
Well,
this one.
they all take hot water except for this one that uses cold water.
Okay. Put this in. Doesn't Pioneer Woman make the prettiest dishes? I love the red on this for Christmas. He laughs at me, but
She cannot use a Pioneer Woman dish without mentioning it.
they're just so beautiful. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Okay, you can put that over there with the other stuff. Okay. All right, I'm just going to mix this together, and then you just let it sit for like 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
And let's see how it's doing at 5 minutes. I may try to add a touch more water because I was pretty generous with all the fruit. And so I wanted it to have a chance to refresh. You know, I was going to sprinkle some of the strawberries on top just for color, but I think it's going to have beautiful color. Just like it is. Okay, that was easy. Very easy. There's apples in here and cinnamon, and there's blueberries and strawberries, and of course then the granola mixture. Now, if you hand me that plate, sweetheart, I won't mention that it's a Pioneer Woman plate.
Good, thank you.
And I'm supposed to cover it. All right, so let's give this 5 minutes, and we'll bring you right back with us to enjoy it. Well, the 5 minutes are up. Gave me a chance to kind of get us tidied up and ready to have our breakfast. So let's see what we got here. Here, I'll take that over here. Okay.
So this has got milk powder in it, so when you put the water in it, it rehydrates everything, and then it's got milk in it as well, so you don't have to bring extra milk with you when you're making this.
And it's yummy milk. It's the stuff that I love so much. It doesn't taste like your usual idea of instant milk.
Right.
So, well, here, we dish you some up, sweetheart. Oh, this looks really good. It was fun adding some extra things. So easy. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. And one blueberry. Can I pour you some coffee, hon?
Sure.
Alrighty. These glasses here, these goblets, are Polish pottery. I collected them slowly for many years, and they handle heat really well. They can be cold or hot. Would you like some cream?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, help yourself, hon. I don't know how much you want. Here we go. Thank you. I'm gonna add a little bit. And like I said, since it's a special occasion, boop, put some cream on my cereal there, on my granola.
Neither one of us use sugar in our coffee, just cream.
Yeah.
So,
There we go. Oh yeah, that's good. Coffee just goes with this kind of stuff. All right, let's try it.
this is just really excellent, and it's where did package go? It's apple cinnamon granola, so it already has the freeze-dried apples in it, and it's excellent just like that. But then when you add the extra, like we did, the strawberries and the blueberries, it just makes it extra special.
So good. And the nuts, just
And
that
the
little bit. Oh, what a lovely breakfast for either like a Christmas morning or just a busy morning when you want something kind of festive. Oh, I am really enjoying this. And no gluten. This is something that's perfectly fine for me. Oh. I would give you guys a taste if I could. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Well, we appreciate having you here to see us enjoy this lovely food. And it was such a hard thing to make, as you can tell. But I want you to know that as we're getting closer to Christmas, I've definitely got some other videos coming out. I'm hoping to be having some music like I do every year, and just sharing a little bit more about Christmas festivities. So this has been a lovely Christmas breakfast, but there is more to come.
So, Like I said, they have other meals. They actually have 12 of them in total. This is the apple cinnamon granola. That's the only one you put cold water in. All the others you put hot water. Creamy mashed potato bowl is mashed potatoes with all kinds of meat and vegetables mixed in with it and gravy on it. This is Southwest style chicken. It's a rice base with Southwest flavors in it. This one is vegetable pasta primavera.
See those two. Yeah. No gluten. See, some of them do. Pre-made meals often do. They got pasta in them or something.
Really?
But this has the only allergen in here is milk, and I'm not allergic to milk.
Really, you know, the only negative to these meals is that sometimes if you have certain dietary requirements, you can't control what's in here. But quite a few of these, she has to be gluten-free. Quite a few of these are gluten-free. Now, they're not certified gluten-free. They don't say that, but they just tell you on the back what the allergens are. This one just says contains milk. This is the
And this one
potatoes.
too. This is gluten-free too. The Southwest style chicken.
Yep.
It's not with pasta.
Now, this one, the vegetable pasta primavera, contains milk and wheat. So therefore, this one is not gluten-free because gluten is the protein in wheat, barley and rye.
And rye, yep.
So
This is so good.
here's the beauty of these. You saw how easy it was to make. You just pour it in there, you pour some water in, you can put it in a bowl, or you can just do it right in the package. If you're pressed for time, you get home from work, and you got to go out someplace real fast in the evening, you can whip up one of these in 5 minutes.
It is handy. It is handy.
If you're traveling, great for backpacking. If you're staying in a hotel, if it has a microwave where you can heat hot water, or a coffee machine
Or a coffee maker without the coffee in
where
it.
you can heat hot water.
Yes.
You can make one of these very fast, very easy, very good, very nutritious. They're just exceedingly convenient. Now, I did want to mention that these are going to be on sale next month in January. On the January monthly specials, they have a pack, a 10-pack of these. Where it's a variety of different ones, and it's for 25% off. So that's a good deal.
Yeah,
it's a
it
good
is.
time if you like these or you want to try them. It's a good time to stock up. Now, in order to take advantage of the monthly specials, you do have to be a delivery service customer. So if you just sign up for the monthly delivery, then you can access all of these specials. There's a whole bunch of items in the specials, but I wanted to highlight this one, 25% off of a 10-pack of these meals.
And just very briefly, delivery is wonderful. Free shipping over $99. There's a lot of good advantages to it. And you can totally control it yourself. That's really cool.
Now, I shouldn't have put that in my mouth, sorry. Most other freeze-dried food companies, this is their only product, is meals like this. Thrive does have a few, like I said, a dozen of them. These are much better quality than most of the other companies. For one thing, Thrive Life is the largest freeze-dried food company in the world, and they make the highest quality freeze-dried food. So this is the highest quality you can get. Also, many of these others have all kinds of chemicals in them. I don't know why. And extra fillers and things like that, and their concentration is survival food, so their concentration is on calories. This is not really considered survival food, so the concentration is on nutrition rather than on calories. And I have had a number of comments from people who have tried others, had others, and then tried Thrive Life, and they've all said Thrive is far superior to the others that they've tried, and I'll read you a few of those comments at the end. So I said this is 2 to 3 servings. It's still half there, so we're going to have to finish it up. So
Well, I put in quite a bit of fruit and some nuts.
that's true, but we're going to go ahead and finish this up. I hope you've enjoyed this.
Yes.
Live simple,
Live free.
you be blessed,
All right.
and have a very wonderful, Merry Christmas.
Yes. And we pray for you to have a wonderful, happy New Year.
Bye-bye.
Love you guys. Bye-bye. Isn't this stuff incredible?
Elizabeth, Amy, I guess Amy is the writer of the post. The meals are great and not overly seasoned. I was a backpacker for years and I ate freeze-dried all the time, but Thrive Life were around, I would have used these products exclusively. That being said, I like to do my own thing, so I would purchase the individual items 90% of the time, but I just purchased the 10-pack pot roast meal to have on hand. Sweetie Pie tried out some ready-made meals, meant to do a taste test comparing the other brands and then stock up. Well, they ate all of them. These were superior, not even interested in those brands anymore.